Jasmine, can you stop with the whistling? Excuse me.
Let's fix your hair, you gonna?
No, just leave it alone. Let her be.
She can't see, that's the thing.
It's not, she can't. Good girl. Call her. Call her. Stop whistling. Call her. Tell her to come to you.
Come.
Whoop.
Come.
Don't get excited. Just tell her to come towards you.
Drunk.
Oops. Joshua.